How to change my company's address on Mailchimp. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Log into Mailchimp and go to Account Settings. Click on Contact Information to update your company's address. 2. Edit the existing address or enter a new one. Ensure the details are accurate to comply with email marketing regulations. 3. Save the changes and verify the updated address. Mailchimp may send a confirmation email to confirm the update. 4th, update the address in your email footers. Mailchimp automatically includes your business address in emails to comply with anti-spam laws. 5. Inform your subscribers if necessary. If your business has moved, send an update to customers for transparency. 6. Check your Mailchimp invoice settings. Ensure billing information reflects the updated company address. 7. Run a test campaign to confirm that the new address appears correctly in outgoing emails. This ensures compliance with email marketing regulations.